3 sites, 9 microbes, 30 minutes. Seawolf isn't luck. It's math under pressure. Cognidoor keeps it simple. Open McKinsey Solve game, choose Seawolf Solver, and launch. In manual entry, set your site. Enter ranges for strength, agility, and intelligence. Add traits like air, water, earth, and fire. Mark the desired and the undesired, then hit Solve. Cognidoor, fully spreadsheet-free, blocks bad traits, ensures at least one desired trait, balances the averages, and instantly shows the real ceiling for the site, 100, 80, or 60%. If 100 is possible, it finds it fast. If not, it locks the best legal trio so you move on without wasting time. Click Next Site and finish the run with confidence. Ready to try it? Use the link below to launch the Seawolf Solver, explore practice datasets, and grab the Quick Start Guide. Solve smarter, not slower, with Cognidoor.